Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make followers that you follow back, and people you send messages to can send you messages on your account on TikTok easy and quick. First, click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and now click privacy. Now here click messaging and click messaging, and here you will find followers that you follow back and people you send message to. Click on it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.